Yes, any party I hold you on pay, you know what number come. Ni party no wase a ompe there be just like I pen ni ase no say ish say me wa hodwumu na eye ndie eye na Donkor Arthur es ebu pupu ne toba wo ke kan sem bi fa Samira Bawumia ho dem watie no akere wa adwen ama me e wo comment section hi Penyah block media me so say need you obe like video no that my subscribe button na back the notification icon latest update na akere wa adwen da ama me e wo comment section me so baso no wa share post anya bi ahwe asemo Hopeson Adorye ekwatena my CTVGH ekwakan ye ese owo sam eniema bi ewo Samira Bawumia ho aso ba kokura pia bontene a na wade bi Bawumia ene ne ntena biem no that allegation ko make ya no e dey attack be aba so on the internet no
me 1991 na me head teacher 1991
na momientie Hopeson Adorye credentials a odishia Samira Bawumia. First of all, I say Samira ko University. Samira ko Gempa. Na ohwe otie results na Gempa any places na Samira ko school ni nyina no top notch marks nko a. Ono nso credentials ni sen a osi 1991 no ye headmaster of a certain school. School bay. And you school no ana or your headmaster in patro wa winning school no patro comment na se. Yeah comparison. So say who is Samira? And what boss say Samira ko University or ko Gempa Yahoo. And also 1991 no Hopeson Adorye no ye headmaster. Me patro school a wonum se Hopeson Adorye headmaster no. Patro unima no watro egu ayi na se na ye di hu nkomo. Second one ne other second qualification is in 1992 mra na ayi the first fourth Republican election. So je ni bi born asum. Enti Dr. Samira akoke University. Enti University certificate da Hopeson the beating say na 1991 a headmaster. 2 Samira ko Gempa ye nyina yenimu ne results ne reputation o di free Gempa o. Hopeson Adorye say 1992 na soja ni bi born asum first fourth Republican election no. Soja ni bi born asum because na ose ompene say yemie ballot box no so enti mpacho credentials mienu we wan obetimi abisa ne nyonko say who are you ne pacho credentials mienu we wan obetimi abisa ne nyonko say who are you ayi presenter ni bizan say open ma toko say I me pe ma toko o yo ba na de match toko shia me amekam. And you can tell the kind of man he is. And Mr. normal 2 na mepe. Wa winim baby ana Hopeson headmaster no. Me pacho for dino school ni din was a setting into yeguso rehwe. For dino to comment na se. And wa winim soja na wo ball Hopeson Adorye. Oba no like no a share. I said this week here the NATO apart so na or league table no something ye no ho adwuma kakra obere no ho adwuma kakra nyame sure obi
Mommy and kind of crancher Hopeson Adorye say he is talking too much. He needs to behave like a man. He's not a woman. He's talking too much. Or yeah mana broso Hopeson Adorye, he's talking too much. Let's tell him the truth that a man is talking too much. Hopeson person wo chire wo bia wo Ghana say onunkwa na wedru onunkwa ni free voter region. Now free voter region na ye de na just won na wi ati to me nyina hye won sana. Hopeson Hopeson person what say or duro chen will be a wakana or becount, and answer one of the young canasem. But Hopeson who can crofasem. O can sama enya no credit tonko for so. O can sama enter sa de chirenko for. O can some fanko for ho. O din crofo atem. E di crofo di watem bia na wo de wo ba besu. And I met Chero, Memuhun, some a wicked man, the Ekeka. Hopeson, a do obey your Nipa, you be been free, so will be the Yena, ye. And my bontin be Cassa or home, be kick him near the saying, may you say, I'm a weak. You don't need to tell us that you're a wicked man. We don't need that for anything. Yam fan yeshe. The office say why you were there was a panel, but be a person wouldn't fan. Ne mane ase wo pese wo ya gidin bi Ghana fo anim se wo aduro na wo de unim anuro so na neoma betumi aye no, it's not needed. Nobody cares about that. Nobody cares. Hopeson, nobody cares about that. Do you free say wakasa etia wa enu ntie wo se wo de ne fa ekwan bi so no fa ne fa na say na me tell warning, you know I'm a wicked man. Me na adi me be di agro no. Hopeson, for all you know, your wife is a gospel musician. A wife or a gospel musician, or wife, gifty, or a preacher. I'm telling you, if you don't know, nyomana wo ye ne bi kan wo yire. Nyomana wo ye ne bi kan wo yire. Ti se wo de enuro be hunahuna amanfo na wo yire wo Kenya mesem. Empress or Kenya mesem. It is a yere Kenya mesem na also di nuro ni ade hunahuna nkofo a na no ani hwe hefa. Obi akasa etia wa, find the right way to deal with the person. Obi a defame wa, find the right way to deal with the person. But to go all about and be telling people that me a wicked man and I want him to meet me here, want him baby here kokoni ade no. Hopeson, it's not necessary. And here. It's not. On say, Oshasi and I walk a cancer answer, no man for no budget was man for man fans. So Hopeson the young cano. But I did back one monster di Ghana for when I say Ghana for no. Say, oh yeah, dear, yeah, trust one who be a woman, he now whom fun woman. It was a why ya ma feed ya fun woman. It's not feel your crampa. Sometimes me rate me who because when I watch or read comments under your videos the kind of attempt the dear woman do. Yet me do the bia na akofa case ba ma ne be kan wo yire o. The bia wo na akofa case ba na dia be kan wo yire. Na mankofo be di wo yire atem. Enso empress ti we. The hia ne se me menda so na empress akotuna the United Show bi saye ni show no apon. Anko ni obi ani asem. But the bia Hopeson na be kwa akoka bibi ama bibi abeka na be kan empress. Wo so wo yire nyamesem o kan sempaka. Enti no say nuru hunahuna ani ade no minia enye jai obi ye wade na enya fa ne fa kwan abefese obodo so wo nuru mpo a wo koso a ehu hia so ba betena mframa mu aka abehunahuna nkofo ehu hia me de futu na metu
ye maame empress gifty me mfa sa krama din nso so you don't deserve see the krama din be so din so the love that you show me I appreciate it. But I want to tell you, I used to defend you when the social media is against you, and you know this for fact. I want you to advise that idiot man you call a husband, that mama go for kwanya mo man for when mo anya for no. Me ma wukunu kwasi ampani no kwan. No onfa Dr. Bawumia yere any mo meye for mo internet, so it's not going to happen. Answer from last year September and na wukuna Jimmy ne ho industry ni ma Jimmy ne ho anza me nka bi da but me pese meka na wo ka kire ne say e da obe disrespect ba wo mi ayire no me de obe ba two tables so and you will feel it and you believe what I can do. You know my delivery.
Hopeson Adorye on Jimmy a wa Jimmy a odi gina wo enza wa wo Jimmy a wa Jimmy a di gina wo no hwede wa do nsa gu ho no oba na wo so wonya Ghana ni no sa oba we 2020 ahamache no campaign team etana wa ahamache twene so omra no me campaign ma wo ne ke ne be wi ni election fa be ye MP on Jimmy an wa Jimmy then brother Yankopon it hopeless so one gusu wanya Jimmy no antra we useless part we you pinima ye ne yensu ye bi wo ankora no yensu be di watem sa kopim so be ja Jimmy no
ebusia that allegation ne bi ana ND ejeje ho obeka 2023 Anna, that time now, you know, Kennedy Agyapong was your part, no MP before, no. Was starting to show that I didn't was your part. Now, TV by TV, I just said, okay, can I be to room? Anna Kennedy Agyapong, equate to me, say, oh, Bawumia, Bawumia don't find us some cockra, no, or war. Evidence be effort, Samira Bawumia, Bawumia, and a year and all evidence be found once, or drop people, cockra. Our lady Begu. What I say? Kennedy Agyapong can say 2023. Chem. Nancy Hopeson Adorye starting the useless attack on Samira Bawumia out of nowhere. Was your ND. Na Donkor Arthur. Asemna Kennedy Agyapong kan last you know. And no akofa. Ana wo chire nsemu. Ana wo di Samira Bawumia ho fel. Just okwe kan adwene echire no.
Honorable Kennedy Agyapong say Assembly was or can Mrs. Bawumia na ware begu. Hey, honorable, me di yanko pompa ucho. Aware ho ayedin. Inti show. Menka, feko wo grave. Fe show mu. Me pa ucho. Assembly wo honum na sa obeka na se di aware gu beba dia. Ene dia wanka kranka ye. Bible si winti dia ne dia beba. Ba dia na no so beba no ondie. Inti honorable Kennedy Agyapong. Mr. Enka. But at the same time, no me pese be hu say e dey ade pan e wo hono ma o kan dey aware ni beku. Hey, information wo kromo. Honorable me pacho there's any way say obetimi aka gu me pema suma na because say unim me me no we shiada obi no mpo wo picture me fa picture na ntiso. Since I made the virus ni kwemu. Me say am akoye na $12,000. Me wo ho asinye tuogu menum na me say hey, e say yi anya hwe aso titi me say first no lo bi ba no be yi ya me pene ma block no gbe bi be yi ya me na pewe me say pui boy hey e fa me ho kura papa Yaro we show that. Hey, Nadia the pan and Mrs. Bawumia. Why ya? And it is honorable Kennedy Agyapong kana worry begu. Hey, I've like me tell some of my dreams as hey. And I dia my dream yemino. Eesh. I worry who dinga iron will. Na me pese me hu say Bawumia no beja na yire na na say na yire no beja Bawumia. I don't know which one. Where the politics na me ye suggesting. Mrs. Bawumia kasa de no ho ofankasa. Nti Mrs. Bawumia de very easy for her to get a husband. Like the woman is pretty. Look at the face, look at the figure. Hey, shoot. Mrs. Bawumia do on chen when you say me and I can bed but Mrs. Bawumia pa dear. Aye, now who are the body no? Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, Mrs. Bawumia dear. Only the on church was sister or Penyah kun one time. Mrs. Bawumia na one for the crowd, one you cry say. Uncle, I don't wanna say it. 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 Yes, I don't wanna say it. And Mr. Bawumia so do or your vice president. Hey, Mr. Bawumia put it in bano crowd. Omo buas what you wanna so. Ain't you know? I don't think say be obi ebe hard because Mrs. Bawumia no be chino. I want no quick. Na Mr. Bawumia so e bano so. What must I lie? Ain't you know? Opaka. Opaka. Because Messi violence, the game violence. Hey, ready, I go for me. So, been to me, that's it. Rabbit Sabe. Say about your the pressure that Chivedo. Just a me who assembly with social media. Mekabi. I say, must you put your mouth in everything? And I'm commenting to say, I'm sorry, next time I will put my nose. Me when next. There my baby yo. I better social media and I'm your page and come here then. I'm into being sassy and me are into being so share. And it's your book in the day, Papa. I don't think it's a very big deal because Bawumia Penyah yera warano. And now, Mrs. A Nesusu or friend than Jamila. On this Penyah kum, intino. End of the day, be a no belusu. Say, I mean, Master Missy now the kind of a bad dear mammy. Say, me you kum be our no honor. Why back? It's a way why back. But one benuni dear, nah. Nto paka anaboka ka anaboka de bia o kese expose ye hu expose ya no de bia o se we expose we me expose we but on abo won expose obia nti no I think it's time let the violence begin. I go for Ghana. Oh, you joke country. Ghana. Oh. Madam, I am patching the news for Baba Sisia. Thank you.
Me who ye? And I'm say, hey, enti mami we no. Owa vimo de. Lebi owa akoma. Owa akoma. UTV Agyapong na adwuma ye bia na obeji. Paremfo ubetimi. Obeji Hopeson Donkor Arthur ama no. Ubetimi. Na Donkor. Ubetimi. Okay. Ebusan chiremu baba. We eyo ko na hyase. Abeto twede kan na ebeji ninsem. Ebeji ninsem. Mebro chiremu. No chire wa adwe ama me. Ewo comment section. Hi Penyah Media. Agra.